You go to the market with 5 bananas and mama gives you 3 more. How many do you have? Today we learn the magic rules that make counting easy. Natural numbers, written as n, are the counting numbers 0, 1, 2, and so on. We can add them or multiply them. These are our 2 main operations. First rule, commutative property. Order does not matter. 3 plus 5 equals 5 plus 3. Like shaking hands left or right, the friendship is the same. Second rule, associative property. Grouping does not matter. When adding 3 numbers you can group them anyway. The answer stays the same, always. Example 1. Calculate 7 plus 4 plus 3. Using commutativity, let us swap to make it easier. 7 plus 3 equals 10, a nice round number. Now we add 10 plus 4, which gives 14. See? Smart grouping makes math fast. The properties are like shortcuts on your way home. Example 2. Multiply 4 times 25 times 2. Multiplication is also commutative and associative. Let us pair 25 and 4 cleverly. "25 times 4 equals 100. Then 100 times 2 is 200. Rearranging saved us from hard calculations. Smart, yes? Warning. Many students think all operations are commutative. Wrong. Subtraction and division are not commutative. 10 minus 3 is not the same as 3 minus 10. Remember CAO, commute around order. Addition and multiplication allow you to commute and associate freely. But for minus and divide, order is boss. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons that make learning simple and fun. Visit ovasaabi.com today. See you in the next video.